Good morning and welcome back to the Tailgate Tours. I'm Jeff Pangle, Technical Seed Agronomist for Winfield United in the Delta region, bringing you our next 10 days virtual training series. Today I wanted to talk about do some hybrids respond better to fungicides than others in the fungicide applications? And the answer to that is yes, very much so. And we can say that because we've done extensive testing in our answer plot trials to determine a response to fungicide score of different hybrids. And so within the characterization trials, the response to fungicide, response to population, response to nitrogen, response to corn on corn, we can identify products that in this case do respond differently to a fungicide application. For the hybrids that Cropland put into the marketplace for 2020, 86% of those products had at least a moderate response to fungicide or a high response to fungicide. So what does that tell us? It tells us that those products, more often than not, are going to benefit from the application of a fungicide. Now, put that into terms that we would understand in the Delta as far as products that are specific to us. When we think about low response to fungicide, hybrid would be Cropland 5340. Tough, good disease tolerance. So it has a low response. We would expect that as it's a stress, kind of a low input type product. On the other spectrum is Cropland 6027. That has a high response to fungicide. So most all the time in our trials, the response to fungicide was beneficial in this product. Now, we're right in the middle in the moderate group. We've got 5678, which is our #1 seller, and 5335 and 5370. So these three products are moderate response to fungicide. So as we're beginning to approach mid-season and to think about this fungicide timing, I just wanted to share with you some of the products that were in our lineup that were key products for the Delta. Once again, in the 2020 answer plots, we'll be doing the response to fungicide testing. Now this year it's going to be interesting because we're going to have two tools that we haven't had before to do this testing. One is the Skywalker, which is an over-the-top high clearance sprayer that was developed by Winfield United. And this year, for the first time in our trials, we'll be spraying with a spray drone as well. One of the things, we'll close by saying this. Last year, we had one of our trials that was planted a month late for our standard corn planting window, and there was a noticeable difference in the response to fungicide at that location. So one of the key things we want to always be considerate of in our corn production planning is if we're late, and we may have some late corn planted this year, if we're late, a month or so late on corn, planting, we definitely want to be considering a fungicide on that corn. So thank you for watching again today. This is a review of the response to fungicide part of the answer plot program, and we thank you for watching today. Jeff Pangle, Winfield United Technical Seed Agronomist for the Delta, bringing you the next 10 days. Thank you for watching.